So I'm going to be demonstrating how to model addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of fractions and mixed numbers using pattern blocks. And this video is about adding them. And our pattern blocks are, we have a hexagon, a trapezoid, a rhombus, and a triangle. And we're going to use those to show different addition problems. So my first problem, I'm going to add 5/6 plus 2/3. So I'm going to say that a hexagon represents one whole. So that means that 5/6 can be represented this way. I have 5 out of 6 pieces. This is 5/6 of a hexagon. And I said that the whole is represented by a hexagon. Then I have 2/3. And I want to rearrange these to find my total. So I have 5/6. If I move one of these 6 out of the way, I can put this rhombus here, and then I have one whole, and then I have this left. If I put it together, it's the same thing as a trapezoid. So I could say that this is 1 and 1/2. I could trade those. This for a hexagon, I could trade this for the trapezoid and get 1 and 1/2. So 5/6 plus 2/3 is 1 and 1/2. If I wanted to add 3/4 plus 1 and 1/2, I can't have the hexagon represent 1 because I don't have none of these blocks are 1/4 of a hexagon. So I have to find something else to represent the whole. In this case, I'm going to say that a whole is represented with 2 hexagons. So these 2 hexagons together represent 1. And I want to show 3/4. So if I want 3/4 of this, that would be 3/4 of the whole. And 1 and 1/2 would be 1 and 1/2. So I have 3/4 plus 1 and 1/2. So after rearranging the pattern blocks, I now see that I have 2 wholes. Each of these represents one whole, plus 1 trapezoid, which is actually 1/4 of a whole. So this is 1, 2, and 1/4.